What's good, y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today is day of Vlogmas, and this video is going to be a great video. All my videos are great videos, of course, but you guys have been loving my polo Ralph Lauren tapestries that I've done on TikTok. I've got so many DMs requesting me to make this polo tapestry specifically, so I am making a polo tapestry onesie. I have my template that I'm going to be using, and then I also have tapestry fabric that I'm going to be using, and we're just going to get straight into the video. Before I even start, I'm going to kind of thread some bobbin. I like to at least have about 2 or 3 bobbins full. This saves time during the project, so make sure to drop that like, comment what you guys want to see. You guys aren't telling me what you want to see, and I want to make sure that I am giving you guys the videos obviously that you want to see. And let's just get straight into the video. All right, y'all, so I got all the pieces cut out. This is the front, the back, the 2 sleeves. This piece goes like in the middle. I don't know what this piece is called, but it goes in the middle here, between the front and the back. The top of the foot part, and then the bottom of the foot part. So now we're just gonna put it all together. We are gonna add a zipper here. All right, yeah, I got the front and the back put together, and I also added the zipper. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the sleeves to both sides. So we got the sleeves all attached. Before we attach the kind of the side seam, we are going to attach the front of the booty that goes like this. And then we have the bottom piece that goes like kind of like that. Like, so this will attach this side, and then this attach to that side. So we're gonna attach those first, and then we'll kind of close everything else up. And then I also forgot that I am gonna add a hood, so I am gonna cut out some fabric for the hood. Other than that, it is turning out super cute. I love doing these polo onesies just because it's so unique. Like, you don't see a tapestry onesie for one, and then for it to be, you know, the iconic Ralph Lauren polo, it's just chef's kiss. So let me know if you guys are liking it so far. All right, yeah, I got the tapestry onesie all complete. Super cute. This was a 69 tapestry onesie. It was super cute, super fun to make. Got the little booties on the bottom. Oh, I love the little footsies. The Ralph Lauren polo, the little polo bear. It says Ralph Lauren on the sleeve and the hood. Super cute. I love the way this one turned out. If you guys want a full in-depth tutorial, I am going to be dropping that on my membership page. To join my membership, all you got to go to is my channel and click join membership. And then the VIP is where I am dropping the full in-depth tutorial, step-by-step. Full, no gatekeeping on how I made this onesie step-by-step. So make sure to go check that out if you guys want to see that. Otherwise, let me know what you guys want to see in the comment section. I will try to do that video for you since we are posting every single day this month. As always, make sure to hit the like, comment down below, and stay positive. You know I'll be back. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the sun shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.